And yeah, I think it's best to do it in reverse
Sounds fine
because
by me.
it minimizes our movement. Kiri, Danka, you there? Yeah. Kiri, there?
Yes, sorry.
Alright, everybody is ready then? Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
It's fine, don't move it more. Don't move it more.
No, I'm not moving more.
Beware.
Let's go, let's move. Move to orange.
Dash tanking.
5. Beware. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, get behind debris piles. Make sure nobody's in the way.
Someone was.
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4,
Range
3,
stuck up on orange.
2, 1.
Beware. 5. Beware. 4, 3,
Okay, move to moon.
1.
Yeah, there were bombs there that shouldn't have been there.
Alright.
5, 4, 3.
Did we lose anyone on the first demo that time? Or did we keep everyone up?
Barely, we kept everyone up.
Yeah, I think someone did die. I think it might have been Hollow who got killed.
Okay.
And Daz, about the kiting direction, if we add one more marker, then we should be able to keep the kiting direction the same. We'll just go around in a circle, but with the verse, we won't go to moon, we'll go to the one opposite it. And then we can just continue in a circle. I'll show you what I mean when we get back to the area. Right, so Daz, what I mean is,
Yeah, I know what you mean.
so there we go, yellow, white, orange, red, yellow, so we're going like a circle. And Zell, would you be cool with that?
Yep.
Sorry, I missed something there. Are we doing a circle now, or is the red for coming back?
Well, basically, First demolition still yellow, white, orange. Then on second demolition, orange, red, yellow. So it's basically, yeah, it's just so we go around in a kind of circle kind of thing.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and Apo and Az, you'll probably want to activate the special warning for Shattering Smash in DBM because it's not done by default.
Ah, panda.
Beware.
That's okay, nobody died.
Yay!
I tried.
Kiri, he might respawn near you, so you might want to come back.
That's the lottery I'm playing here. Ah.
Right. Ready checking. Right, everybody is ready. Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
First demolition incoming.
Beware.
Move.
That's tanking.
5. Beware. 3, 2, 1.
Regroup at orange.
Make sure you're not in the path of slag bombs.
5.
Next mark for
4,
depth incoming.
3,
Make sure you're not in the path of slag bombs.
1.
5, 4, 3,
If you got slag bombs,
2,
get to the
1.
Beware.
Celia, group up with orange group.
Beware. 5, 4, 3,
Move.
2, 1.
Alright, if you got impaling throw on you, get to debris pile.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5,
Beware.
4, 3, 2, 1.
5,
That's tanking.
3, 2, 1.
Get me back up.
Beware. 5,
Beware.
4, 3, 2,
Watch out for slag bombs while you're running.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And next
5.
phase. For those who are alive to see it. And who don't die from fall damage.
We are not.
Damn it.
We have 2 healers and a...
Beware.
and a tank. Let's kill him.
Yep,
5, 4,
it's first siege maker incoming. Hunter, go, kite.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's on Danker.
5, 4,
Kite him over those bombs.
3, 2, 1.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Yeah, the hunter has to stay
Four.
closest to it.
3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3.
Yeah, my attempt at tanking didn't really go too well there.
Here comes the
Almost
mortar.
kill it! And the sad face!
Yeah, so Apo, if we get 3 demolitions, then you're gonna have to
Yeah, I am.
trank on the 3rd. Also, I don't think there was Fox active on the 2nd after the 3rd demolition swirly. So a couple of people kind of died because I had to get out of the way before I could cast.
Right, as Jang's on the phone, let's have a break, a proper break. After that, I'll have a think about what to do next. So, break timer is up. Go stretch your legs, go grab some coffee, and then we'll be back with the last hour of a raid.
Back, can I get a res?
We're on a break, Jang.
Oh, yeah, so it's...